In this video, we're going to answer the following question. Does x squared plus y squared equals 1 represent a function? What's a function? A function is a special kind of relations, such that for every element of the first set, which we call the domain, it has only one element from the second set, which we call the codomain or the range. Most of the time when we have x and y, we express this relationship as y is a function of x, or the relationship between x and y is f. Okay, and we relate y to x. In our case here, we can see that we can find an element that has more than one image. Okay, so 0 here. So 0 is related to 1 and minus 1. Okay, because we have 0 squared plus 1 squared is 1, and 0 squared plus minus 1 squared is 1. And we see that 0 is related to minus 1 and 1. And this means that the image of 0 is 1 or minus 1. And this means that this is not a function, okay? Because there is one element, 0, which can have two images, 1 and minus 1. And this contradicts the fact of the definition of a function. Another way that we can do here, which is the easiest one, is that we know how to graph this one here. It's the unit circle centered at 0, 0 and having radius 1. Okay, here we see graphically, we see that the 0 can have this image, which is minus 1, and this one here, which is 1. And this means that it's not a function. Another thing that we can do is the vertical test. Okay, so we can draw a line that's parallel to the y-axis, and it hits the circle here on 2 points. So that means this is not a function. Or we can write it in this form here. We see that y in this case is going to be plus minus the square root of 1 minus x squared. And therefore we have x is related to two functions, to two y's. Okay, we see from here that if we choose the y as 1 minus x squared, we are here on top. If we choose y is minus the square root of 1 minus x squared, we are here. In this case, we have the notion of the function. Okay, if we restrict x to minus 1, 1, and we choose this one, we are here. So every element here from this set, minus 1, 1, will have a unique image. The same thing here, if we are in this interval, minus 1, 1, and we are choosing this one here, we will have the function because every element will have an image, which we can see here. Okay. So overall, this is not a function because we found one element that can be related to two images. Okay, and which is the easiest one is 0. Thank you very much.